So this Euro pound analysis for Monday the 18th of June. Now let's just have a look what our prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we had price come towards this 88.20, from which we did see the sell side momentum rejection of that 88.20. We did see price momentum take us through 87.50. Didn't quite get down towards that 87 level here on the euro against the pound. Let's just get that on there. There we are. So we didn't quite get the sell side momentum to take us down towards 87. Instead, we did come down towards 87.20, formed a bit of a base around 87.20, tested the 87.50, rejected on a couple of occasions here. So tested the 87.50, rejected, tested again, rejected. But we are not heading down towards that 87.20 at the moment, so we do appear to be forming higher lows. It does appear to be some bullish impetus behind this market. So if we can just successfully break and hold above 87.50, we're looking for a move up towards that 87.83. In around 87.83, we do have the added confluence of the 200 period moving average here, which increased the likelihood of seeing sell side momentum return to the market from that level, possibly bring us back down towards 87.50. If, however, we do break above the 87.83, the very next level that we are looking at here from on the chart is a move up towards 88.20, from which we have found we've encountered resistance on quite a few occasions. And if we do break from there, we're looking for a move up towards 88.51 if there is sufficient volatility. 88.74 may just come into focus in the coming days here on the euro against the pound. If, however, we do see a rejection of the 87.50, we're then looking for price head down towards 87. If we're not able to hold support in around that 87, we're then looking for price head down towards that 86.63. Now before we get down towards that 87, of course, we do have to remember that we did find support in around 87.20, but if failing to hold support there, we're looking for 87 and possibly that 86.63 here on the euro against the pound. What we'll do now is have a look at the higher time frame, see how price have been developing. Have a look here at the monthly chart to see how prices are developing here on the monthly chart, and let's just see. So on the monthly chart, let's go. So on this monthly chart, we've had a bit of a double top there. We've gone into this consolidation since mid 2017. We continue to be in that consolidation. Now the consolidation does appear slightly to more weak, well, I shouldn't say weak, it does appear to show more either one of the two, either euro weakness or pound strength. As we can see, we are forming lower highs more recently in the past couple of months, so we do have lower highs, so we do not see that continued price progression to the upside, but we're still pretty range bound, as can be seen by the tight range that we're in. So we're in a slow consolidation downwards on the euro pound from monthly frame perspective. Now what we'll do now is have a brief look here at the weekly chart. Over here on the weekly chart, it's difficult to say much other than this consolidation as we've been since mid 2017. So as you can see, upper end of the trading range previously was 90.24. More recently, we've had difficulty breaking above the 88.51 more recently. So we'll see how price develops. Now previous to our most recent low is all the way down below the 86.63 and our highs. So we're in a bit of a consolidation within a consolidation here, a pretty tight consolidation from a weekly perspective, but relative to we're closer to our most recent highs than we are to our most recent lows. So there might be a slight bias to the upside here, but it's difficult to say due to the tightness of this consolidation. So what we'll do now is we'll have a brief look here at the daily chart, and let's just have a look here at this daily chart. So over here on this daily chart, we have our lows. We've gone to this consolidation. Now we were in a slightly slow consolidative move to the upside, in from which we have rejected the 200 period moving average here on the daily chart 3 times. After having the third rejection, we've seen prices break out here to the downside. Very strong bearish candle. We are seeing a bit of a recovery at the moment. We have had the rejection of 87.50, so we'll see if we do get another rejection of 87.50, from which we're looking for a move down towards 87, an area previously before we found support. Failing to hold support there, we're looking for 86.63, and failing that, I suppose the most recent swing here before looking at the 86 levels all the way down at that 86.20 on the euro against the pound. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the euro pound analysis. Thanks for watching.